I've been using the First Access credit card for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the First Access credit card. First, let's take a look at what the First Access credit card offers. The First Access Visa credit card is designed for individuals with less than perfect credit and provides a starting credit limit of up to $300. While this card does have an annual fee, it can be a stepping stone for building or rebuilding your credit score. Additionally, a standout feature of this card is its rewards program. You can earn 1 point for every $1 paid towards your credit card bill, but not for the purchases made. On top of that, you can redeem these points in increments of 500 points for a $5 statement credit, but you must have your account in good standing for 6 months before you can start redeeming points. But is it truly reliable? Let's talk about the fees and rates. The First Access Visa credit card has an annual fee of $75 for the first year and will drop to $48 after that. This fee can be a bit high compared to other entry-level credit cards. Additionally, there's a high purchase APR, so carrying a balance could be expensive in the long run. Now let's talk about the user experience. The application process is fairly straightforward, and you can quickly check if you're eligible. However, the high annual fee and relatively low credit limit might not be ideal for everyone, especially those who are looking for a card with more spending power or lower fees. Overall, the First Access Visa credit card is a solid option for those looking to build or rebuild credit. However, you should consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.